Samsung Galaxy SmartTag or SmartTag Plus Bluetooth tracker is a helpful device when you keep on misplacing or losing things at home. Unfortunately, some users reported that their Samsung SmartTag tracker is not working or not connecting to the SmartThings app on their Galaxy phones. The app cannot discover the tracker and users see the error message, "Couldn't connect to your SmartTag." There was a problem with its Bluetooth information. Get help. The best thing you can do is to try each method in this guide. Method 1. Clear SmartThings app cache on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Navigate to the settings menu of your Samsung Galaxy device. Go to Apps, select SmartThings, tap Force Stop. Next, go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache, select Clear Data. Method 2. Remove the SmartTag battery. First, remove the battery off your Samsung SmartTag. Let it rest for a few minutes. Now, try to insert the battery back again. Method 3. Reset your Samsung SmartTag. Remove the battery of your Samsung SmartTag. Look for the button found at the center. Press and hold it while reinserting the battery. Note that the SmartTag must not make a sound. If it does, try the steps again. Once done successfully, hold the button for 5 seconds. Release the button and cover the battery. Method 4. Update your SmartThings app on Samsung Galaxy phone. Method 5. Reinstall the SmartThings app.